I'm Tom Johnson, Thomas Johnson Antique Furniture Restoration in Gorham, Maine. Shop renovation is ongoing. I'm making a video of that, you'll see it soon. But this week our new baby chicks are coming and I've got to overhaul this chickie pen, which is 16 years old and it's pretty well beat up and I got to make some improvements. So these tops are hinged at the top. I've got to redo the hinges on this one. This is plastic netting I use to keep the weight down, but it's not good. I'm going to replace it with wire. This is a removable tray, and it's pretty much gone, so I made it out of plywood, and I may do that again, but I'm going to finish it this time. As you can see, the tray is removable for cleaning, and I'm just going to make a new tray. Oh, I got enough to glue up this corner. Okay, let's get these clamps off, and I gotta get some finish on this tray. All right, now I'm going to give this interior a coat of epoxy. All right, I'm just coating the interior, and I'm not worried about the outside. And now I can get started on the pen itself. Okay, first thing, get rid of this plastic netting. So it's coming off a little bit easier. I got a couple more loose corners here, so I'll get some glue on these and get them clamped up. Now I built this with the top opens up in sections, which works out well when we keep this low. But I want to make a door in the center section on the side, and that's what I got to do next. And yes, they're just butt joints. I'll reinforce them with some steel later. This is a crate. All right, clamps off. I need to just fit this here. Not bad. Gonna add some hinges. Well, okay, looking good. I just got to attach these, put the tray back in and get it ready. Okay, I think I'm ready to go get those chicks. Oh man. They're falling asleep. Somebody fell asleep already back there. Okay, the chicks have been in here for about 2 hours now. They're well settled in. I got the temperature right. The first week, they need to be kept at like 33, 35 degrees centigrade, at about 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And then each week we'll lower the temperature 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, the chicks have settled in nicely. They seem to enjoy their new home. They're very active. We've got a good setup here. We have an infrared thermometer so we can always check the temperature right down there at the bottom where they are. We have a little camera here with a setup so we can have a chickie cam. If you remember, this is a pen I built about 16 years ago. It held up fine, except the plastic netting I put on there turned out to be not effective enough. And of course, I built a new door here so we could have access from the side. And of course, built a whole new tray down the bottom. That's a removable tray. You can take it out for cleaning. The other one, it was just destroyed. And I built a new one and epoxied it so it should last a long time. I think it looks pretty good. I think the chicks look pretty good. Come here, you little chickie. Come here, you little chickie. Yeah. Yes.
Look at you.